Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You should start by verifying your account and preparing the essentials so you can act immediately. Once done, add a new advertiser and enter partner ID. This links tracking to your partners. Make sure to define campaign goals and upload creatives so tags map correctly. You're doing this now to avoid backtracking later. Setting conversion events with clear values lets you measure ROI. These first steps establish the foundation that keeps reporting accurate and your campaigns actionable. Now focus on the complex middle work. Implement tracking pixels or configure server-to-server postbacks depending on your stack so you capture every conversion. Next, create campaigns, attach creatives, assign partners, and set payout rules. This ensures payments and attribution align with performance. Use parameter tokens for dynamic values like order ID and amounts because that preserves data integrity across redirects. Once these pieces are linked, run a test conversion to validate mapping and timestamps before you scale traffic. Finish by validating and monitoring. Run QA tests for clicks, conversions, and attribution paths to confirm data flows match expectations. Once validated, set real-time reports and alerts so you spot drops or spikes quickly. Automation saves you time. If things go wrong, check common issues like pixel firing, missing or misnamed tokens, time zone mismatches, or blocked scripts. Fixing these typically restores accurate tracking. Keep iterating on rules and creatives so your impact radius setup stays reliable and growth ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.